Anyways, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your font in Visual Studio Code. Right, so that's what you're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Visual Studio open up here. So the default font for Visual Studio Code is Cascade Code. Right, so let's say you want to use a different font or your favorite font. So now what you can do is just come to this icon here, right, click on that, and then I want you to click on setting, right, and then as you can see, it has opened up. Now I want you to come to workspace, click on workspace, and then where it's written editor font family, right, as you can see, default is set to Cascade Code. So now I want us to enter our favorite code. Right there, let's just enter mine, which is TWSendMT. Right, so now once you enter that and then you come back here, you will see it has changed to TWS. Right, now let's say if you wanted to add a different font, maybe you wanted to add Arial, right, add Arial, type Arial, and then come back here, and then as you can see, the font has changed to Arial. So that's where you can change your font family. Right, so I'm just going to change this back to TWSendMT. Now you can change that to your workspace, but then if you come here, if you come to user, right, and then you also have this editor font family, so just make sure you change that to the same font as the one that you want to. Right, so yeah, now you can see I go back here, so you can just cross it off. You don't have to place anywhere, just cross it off, and that will save automatically. So now as you can see, the font size have changed to TWSendCM. Right, so yeah, that's how you can change your font family in Visual Studio Code. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give the thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.